One Hot Bite. Melissa here, where healthy doesn't have to be boring. We're gonna party today. We're gonna make a cocktail. Now it's one of the most popular cocktails, and everybody right now really likes to add caffeine to their alcohol because we're tired and we want to party. So that's why we're gonna make this. This is an espresso martini that we're gonna make today. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make it today. I'm also gonna give you other options and substitutions that you can put into this wonderful cocktail and get through it pretty quickly. I'm gonna give you a little history about it as we whip this together. Thank you so much to my subscribers for being here. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're new here, thanks for being here. And I hope you enjoy this wonderful cocktail. And if you see something you like, please subscribe down below and smash that like button. And if you have any questions or concerns or comments, please do so down below. The entire recipe that I did is going to be down below. And again, all these substitutions are going to be in here too. So what are we waiting for? Let's get a cocktail mixing.
This is an iconic modern classic cocktail that was started in 1983 in London by a bartender who made it for a model, and it was originally called the Vodka Espresso, but then became the Vodka Martini. It is just bitter, frothy espresso, vodka, coffee liqueur, and I didn't use sugar in this, but you can use a simple syrup as well. Top it off with a couple coffee beans, and it is beautiful and tasty.
I want to thank you again so much for being here. This is so delicious. I love all you guys. Thanks so much for showing up every week. I'll see you again next Monday. Let's take a sip. That is so good. I could have that every morning, except that's probably not a good idea, but this is really good. So I love you guys, and I will see you next week.